Dear student, let's see this question. Two capacitors with capacitance values C1 is equal to 2000 plus or minus 10 picofarad and C2 is equal to 3000 plus or minus 15 picofarad are connected in series. The voltage applied across this combination is V is equal to 5.00 plus or minus 0.02 voltage. The percentage error in the calculation of the energy stored in the combination of capacitor is. This question is given in JW Advanced 2020. Again, based on the small concepts, that is percentage error. Which one it is? Percentage error. Now we'll see how to solve. See, in this question actually C1, C2 is given and these two are connected in series to the potential V is given. He is asking find the percentage error in the energy stored. So first we will write C1 is given as 2000 plus or minus 10 picofarad. C2 is equal to 3000 plus or minus 15 picofarad. And V is given as V is equal to 5.00 plus or minus 0.02 volt. We know energy formula U is equal to half CV square. Percentage energy formula delta U by U is equal to half will be neglected in case of errors we will not consider delta C by C plus 2 delta B by V. This is fractional error. If you multiply with 100 you will get percentage error. So first in this expression delta V is given and V is given. Delta C and C. C is effective capacitance. We have to calculate. So how to calculate? Given these two capacitors are connected in series. So 1 by C is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. So 1 by C can be written as 1 by C1 is 2000 plus 1 by C2 is 3000. So 1 by C can be written as 1000 common. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. I will write here. So 1 by C can be written as 1 by 1000 and 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, if you do LCM you will get 3 plus 2 5, 5 by 6, 5 by 6 you will get. So C is equal to 6 into 1000 by 5. I will write to understand purpose 60 into 100 by 5. So C is equal to 12 into 100. So C is equal to 1200 picofarad. How much C value we got? We got C is 1200 picofarad. Now we have to calculate delta U value, delta C value. We have to calculate. How to calculate delta C? See, 1 by C is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. 1 by C is equal to, in series form it is 1 by C is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. Now we'll find out the differentiation. Just to see, by differentiating, we know how to differentiate, right? Minus 1 by x differentiation minus 1 by x square into dx. So in the same manner I will write minus delta C by C square can be written as minus delta C1 by C1 square minus delta C2 by C2 square. And minus both sides get cancelled. Delta C by C square can be written as delta C1 by C1 square plus delta C2 by C2 square. I will do LCM. Delta C by C square is equal to, I hope you are understanding, delta C by C square is equal to C2 square into delta C1 plus C1 square into delta C2 by C1 square C2 square. Here some small mathematical applications are there, so we have to solve carefully. So delta C by C square can be written as, what is C2 here? C2 is 3000. So 3000, 3 into 10 power 3 right, whole square. Delta C1 is 10 plus, what is C1 square? C1 square is 2000. I will write 2 into 10 power 3 whole square. What is delta C2? Delta C2 is 15 upon C1 square. C1 square is given as 2 into 10 power 3 whole square and C2 square 3 into 10 power 3 whole square. You may have a doubt, Sir, here C1 is in picofarads. So why you are not considering? So when I consider here, see C is there, here C is there. When you write picofarads and picofarads, the units will get cancelled. That's why in this situation, no need to bother about the units. That's why I'm simply considering the values. So we'll write delta C by C square can be written as delta C by C square can be written as here 9 into 10 power 6 into 10 plus 4 into 10 power 6 into 15 upon this one 4 into 10 power 6 into 9 into 10 power 6. So now we'll see here. So delta C by C square. Already we got C value. C value is how much? How much we got C value? 1200 picofarads. So 1200 C square. So I will write whole square can be written as here 10 power 6, here 10 power 6 common. 10 power 6 common. So 90 plus 4 15s are 60 upon here 4 9s are 36 into 10 power 6 into 10 power 6. So 1 10 power 6, 1 10 power 6 is gone. Again, if you observe delta C by 12 into 10 power 2 whole square, I will write 144 into 10 power 4. I will write 144 into 10 power 4. So if you see here 90 plus 60 150 upon 36 into 10 power 6. So now if you see again this 10 power 4 and this 2 will cancel. 10 power 2 is remaining. Delta C can be written as 150 into 144 upon 36 into 10 power 2. I got delta C. So here C value I got this one and delta C also I got. So directly I will substitute in this expression. I got fractional error. After that I will multiply with 100. I got percentage error. I hope you are understanding, right? I got C value and delta C value. I will substitute here and I got fractional error and I will multiply and I will get percentage error. So I will erase and I will write. See here. Again I want to calculate delta U by U can be written as delta C we got 150 into 144 upon 36 into 10 power 2 into C we got 1200 picofarads plus 2 delta V is given as 0.02 upon V5. So if you calculate, you will get delta U by U can be written as 0.013 you will get. This is fractional error. If you want to calculate the percentage error, you have to multiply it with 100. Delta U by U into 100 can be written as 0.013 into 100. So you will get 1.3 percentage. 1.3 percentage. Here some calculation is there, mathematical calculation. You can do your own and you will get finally 1.3 percentage is the answer. See again I am saying advanced 2020 question and conceptual easy only based on percentage error. I hope you understood. Thank you.